So got asked a question earlier today. What are the one or two big things that have helped you be successful? Well, technically, in our cleaning business, the marketing piece has been on point for us, and so that's a big part of it. But in terms of actually growing the business aspect of it, here's number one: we've hired great people. I've got an awesome team. Now we're up to 3 team members that are quote unquote office team members. One of them is in a leadership position. The other 2 are in support positions, but they're in a level that affects the whole business. And so we've hit home runs. I mean, we just have. I don't know if call it luck, being able to pick good people, whatever. I don't know. Hire great people. That's number one. Number 2, stay the hell out of their way and stay in your lane. Don't try to do things you're not good at. And sure as crap, don't try to do things that you've hired other people to do. Those are the 2 things. Hire great people and stay in your lane.